Hey, this is Murray Campbell here for Sprint 5. This is my video report. This week I worked on splitting apart the centipede a bit and trying to implement this traffic cop system in its actual sense of like what that means. So the head, I started by like thinking it through, and I figured that the head is the only thing that needs to be doing decision making. So the head should have the controller, and the controller like facilitates that decision making, and then whenever it makes a decision, it will pass a cop class down to the next piece, which will take the information provided and move accordingly. So in theory, that like sounds really interesting, and it seems like it would work just fine. In practice, it's been really strange and difficult to implement. I'm making headway. I just need someone to look at my code, and I just need like a fresh set of eyes on it, because I'm not really sure like what I'm doing wrong, or what I'm missing. There's quite a few things that I like still don't have in it, and it would just be nice to like get some feedback on it. But apart from that, I have done all of the critters. I'll just show them off here. There's nothing really special about how I'm handling them, apart from the spider, perhaps. Like, don't mind my centipede. So, alright, actually, I'm going to, like, get rid of this centipede right now because it's causing me problems. Okay. So, the fleas are working. They're spawning randomly. They're checking correctly. Everything's good with the fleas. Scorpions are doing their job, turning things into poison mushrooms. The centipede doesn't know how to react to a poison mushroom yet, but these guys are in and they work. Then the spiders work as well. Everything is all good with them. They'll stay on the screen, and they'll go off and delete themselves. So how this works is I have a basically like a timer that runs, and then like a max time value. And so the timer will run, it sets the timer to 0, the timer will run up. Once it hits that max time, it'll decide what direction it wants to go next, based on random, I use like random number generation. I'll show off the spider actually right now, really quick. So it has a direction, and so when it's like not the max time, like above the max time, it's just moving based on like what it's hang on, I'm in the wrong place. What its like x delta and y delta values are, and those are what are calculated randomly. I clamp in order to keep the spider in like a box. I just clamp its position to a certain frame, and that works fine for right now. This spider is like really lightweight for me, and just like pretty easy to work with, so I'm happy with it for now. Yeah, so that's all for this week.